Ooh, this sink's ready for cleaning. What can we do? Well, hello. Here's a simple version of the sink cleaning method that I use. As you can see, I'm going to be using the acidic toilet cleaner that I use in the other versions, and a magic sponge. Magic sponges are so good. So let's start the clock. Spray the whole area with the acidic toilet cleaner, damp the magic sponge, and just like in the other method, work in a circle outwards from the plug to capture all the product before it drains away. Work back all around the sink areas and over the draining board area. Oh look, I've left that bottle in the way. Wasn't that clever of me? It looks a bit like a Dalek. Exterminate! Exterminate! Right, okay, so yeah, back to sensibility. Once you've spread the product all over, then run some water using the magic sponge, cleaning the sink again and draining it all off. Using a damp microfiber cloth, clean all the sink area. Dry it up as much as you can using the cloth. When you've got it pretty dry, use a dry tea towel to buff it all up. You can already see here that it's going to come up really good. And that's really all there is to it. A single product, a single acidic cleaner to get rid of all the limescale, a magic sponge, a microfiber cloth and a tea towel. That's all you really need. Three minutes 40 seconds it took to get it looking like that. That little dark mark that you can see, that's just a tarnish in the sink. I hope you found that useful. Please leave a comment if you did and let me know what you thought. Please give a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.